You know, the 1980s was one of the best eras for guitar. Guitar was a really prominent part of just about every song in the 80s, and as a result, there are a lot of memorable strumming patterns that are really great to help us develop our technique on the guitar. Today we're going to be learning how to play one of the most memorable songs from that era, and it's Sunday Bloody Sunday by the mega hit band U2, released in March of 1983, which was the third single from their album War. Now this is mostly an upper level beginner song, but I need you to stick around because I have solutions that are guaranteed to help get you playing this song even if you are a beginner. Alright, so before we get going, it's important to note that this song is more of an upper level beginner song, mostly because of the quick chord changes, the strumming patterns, and the use of the F and the B minor chord, which uses a bar and the fourth finger. Now, it can be a bit challenging, but stick with me, don't you worry, because I do have solutions to help make these chords much easier to play. Alright, so let's take a look at the chords in all of the parts of this song. So first of all, for all your music theory enthusiasts out there, or for those of you that aren't, hang with me, you can learn something here to impress your friends with. So this song is actually in the key of B minor, and it only has 5 chords. The chords for this song are B minor, D, G, E minor, and F. 5 chords. Let's review how to play these chords. The very first chord is a B minor chord. I'm choosing to play this as a bar chord, but I realize this is a little bit challenging. Let's find an easier way. You could either use fingers 3, 4, 2, and 1, or if that's too challenging, use this version, which is just 3 fingers, 3, 2, and 1. The next chord is going to be a D chord, which I'm going to play just like this. Next chord is going to be a G chord, which we're going to play just like this. The next chord is going to be an F chord, which I'm not going to play as a bar chord. I'm going to play it with 3, 4, 2, and 1. If that's too hard, just use 3, 2, and 1. And then finally the E minor chord. Alright, now that we know a little bit about the theory and what the chords are for the song, let's dive right in and start learning. Okay, so the first thing we're going to learn is the intro riff, alright? Let's try it. So taking our third finger here, we're going to put it on the 4th fret of the 3rd string. Take our second finger, we're going to put it on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. We're going to take our first finger and put it on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. We're going to make this little shape. Do you recognize this shape? This shape is a B minor chord. It's the easy way of playing the B minor. Alright, so we're going to play, in the right hand, we're going to play strings 3, 2, 1, 2. Alright, now we're going to leave 2 down. We're going to take our first finger, we're going to put it right down here on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Leaving the 2nd finger down, we have fingers 1 and 2 down, and we're going to play strings 3, 2, 1, 2. Leaving the 2nd finger down, we're going to lift the first finger, play strings 3, 2, 1, 2, and then again. Alright, let's get into the pre-chorus of the song. The pre-chorus of the song is super easy. It's just going to be using a D chord and an E minor, so it looks like this. No strum pattern, just strum and let the chords ring. Alright, now the end of the pre-chorus is kind of cool. It's the most active part of the song. We have a B minor, a D, and a G with a chord pattern that looks like this. B minor, D, down, up, down, down. The pattern starts over on G. Down, down. It stays there. Down, up, down, down. So once again, B minor. Down, down, chord, D chord. Down, up, down, down. G chord. That whole pattern just in the G chord. Okay, so once again, if this B minor chord is too much for you, just play this simple version of the B minor. Alright, so moving right along, verse 2, we're just going to be hearing the intro riff being played over that. So, and then going back into the chorus, we're just going to hear the intro riff again. Alright, now at the ends of the chorus, we have a change. It's just going to be F chord, E minor, D, just ringing out, right? So, alright, so let's dive a little bit deeper and talk about how we can play along with a chord chart or the actual song. So take a look at the very first verse of the song. There are certain words that have certain moving parts that happen over the top of them. So for example, I can't believe the news today. So over the word can't, we have this fourth finger, fourth fret. Over the word believe, we have this fret 2, and then today. Next line. Oh, I can close my eyes and make it go away, right? So O is over 4, close is over 2, right? 4 to 2, 0 is over make it go away, and then away is over 0. All right, moving along to the pre-chorus of the song. This is a pretty simple part. Remember, we're just going to strum and let it ring, right? So for this one, we have the D chord happening over the word how. How long, and then E minor, how long must we sing this song? Again, the word how long, how long. All right, now this where it gets to be really interesting. Remember the strum pattern for this part? Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. So the word tonight has 2 chords. Tonight. G chord, we can be as one tonight. So a little bit tricky there, but just know the B minor chord changes over the first part of the word tonight, the D chord changes over the last part, and the G chord changes over the word we. All right, so diving into the chorus of this song, the first half of it is the intro riff, right? Sunday, bloody Sunday. So that works. So Sunday, 4, bloody, 2, 0. And then it happens again. So it goes Sunday, bloody Sunday. Sunday, bloody Sunday. Now here's where it gets to be really cool. F chord. Sunday, bloody Sunday, right? We have the F chord over Sunday, bloody Sunday. All right, that's it. You did it. You did an awesome job learning how to play Sunday, Bloody Sunday by the mega hit band U2 from the year 1983. Hey, I have a question for you. Did you enjoy the lesson today? Man, I can tell you, I had a great time teaching it to you, and I have an even better song, a better 80s song that I'd like to teach you. Link up here. Now, if you really found value in what you were learning today and you enjoy what you're learning, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, leave a comment below, and turn on that notification bell. I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Have a great day.